the video? Well, today you're in for a real treat because today I'll be working on fringes. So I've been trying to figure out what fringes I want on this dress and I seem to can't find any. So what I'll be doing today is doing my own thing. Yeah, I have to make my own. So let me show you how I do it. Okay, family, so I have 3 different colors of fabric. This fabric is a knit fabric, like t-shirt type material. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out maybe about 1 to 2 inches in length. For my fringes, I don't want them too long because my dress is already long. So okay, family, so I have my strips all cut out. So what I want to do is I want to stack them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the royal blue, then the lighter blue. Like this. Like this. So we will do this. So I will do this to all those strips that I have right here. And once I'm done, I'll be back and show you the next step.
There won't be no fussing, fighting, no backbiting from you. No backbiting. I just want peace and quiet, love and silence.
Okay, family, so once you've sewn all that together, what you want to do is get your snippers or just regular scissors, and you want to cut your fringes in. So you want to cut them all the way up to where you stitched it, but do not cut your stitching. And cut them a little skinny. Don't cut them too wide because it looks better when they're tiny. Not so wide. So you cut all these out. You should come out. You should have something like this once you're done. And then we'll be back. I'll be back when I'm done cutting all these strips. Okay, so now that I am done, 10 years later, I'm kidding, cutting out these fringes. So now all that's left to do is add them to our dress. So let's attach them to the dress. Okay, so now that we have our fringes on, this is how it looks. So let's try it on and get a closer look. Everyone, so that's my video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Until next time, Shalom.
The Messiah is coming.